Hi everyone, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. So today we are planning in my Modern Peach for the week of the 13th through the 19th of January, and I decided to use an older book, but a really good book, my Vintage Botanicals. And that book actually has beautiful checklists. They're pre-made, and I'm going to just place all of my checklist right in the middle row. So there's 2 pages of these, which is perfect because this way you can have them matching. So like that pattern background, there's 2, and this very light blush blue, there's 2 of those, and this gray one as well. And then they have this beautiful, really big florals that I'm looking for. They're huge, and then I'm going to be placing them on top and the bottom of my boxes. So those are it. And they're already cut to the edge, as you can see. So it's really easy because I can just place them. And then there is a matching one that I can place on the other side, which is nice. I'm just covering up that line so it doesn't show through underneath. And I'm gonna have to find a correction tape that has the same white color as the planner, because the planner is much lighter than my correction tape, and I do use the Tombow, so I'm not sure if there's a lighter one. What do you guys use? Leave me comments down below if you have one that matches the planner pretty much exactly, because I hate having, like, see how it's different? It's a different white, and I'm not a huge fan of that. So I'm just gonna cut this one to edge because I don't like anything on those pages. And then the same thing with this one. And I'm just going to pick it up with my tweezers. It's so easy. If you use tweezers, you know what I'm talking about. And again, matching one on the other side. I really do think these florals are so beautiful. They're realistic looking, and they're just beautiful. And then this one is supposed to go up, but I'm just gonna lay it flat like that. And I think that's just fine. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with this, except I'm gonna cut it into pieces like so. And then I was thinking about putting this on the bottom, but it didn't look good, so I'm gonna keep searching of what I can do so it looks good. And these are absolute, like this whole book, I forget how beautiful it is. And I don't see Like, I know that so many people were obsessed with it, and then people stopped using it. I don't see it too much on Plan With Me's anymore. It's a shame because this book is truly beautiful. And I found these roses that are also in the Simply Lovely book and also in the Fun Florals, and I cut one into half and placed it on either side of the page, and now I need to cover up my sidebar so it actually looks good. Because that peach one, I'm not a fan of that little square, so I'd like to cover it up. And I'm thinking of putting that big happy up there, but it's too much. It's not what I wanted, and I found this sidebar checklist with like the blue flowers that are in orange, as well as a yellow flower, the sunflower or whatever those are called, and I thought that will match quite nicely. And I found a big sign that says weekend. And then celebrate. So the 13th is actually my sister's birthday. We're celebrating it on a Sunday. And now all I have to do is find focus boxes for each and set a single day. And I'm gonna grab colorful boxes as always. And I always keep grabbing the empty one, so I need to like put, or maybe even take out these pages and place it into another book that's so there we go, a box for each and single day. I'm switching those around because that weekend will be in a way of placing a box like so. So I'm gonna lift it up a little and put the box down, and then the weekend box will go on both of those days, so Sunday and Saturday. And I'm running out of labels of that size, so I'm just gonna take a label paper and cut out the outline of that, and then put it on the day that I need it. So the outline of the box goes onto the label paper, and then you cut the label paper around the box to create a full box that you can write on. Okay, so that video is pretty much done. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you love the florals as much as I do. If you're watching this, you probably do. And I'll see you guys very, very soon. Again, you can always contact me. There's an email and my Instagram down below. I answer pretty much immediately or very, very quickly. And if there's any books that you want me to create a spread for, let me know. I will be more than happy to do that as well. See you guys very, very soon. Bye!